Wow, love, you look so hot.
I know. Kahit magkano ibayad sa akin, hindi ko naman talaga gagawin ko.
So, Ice is coming out with his new album entitled Being Ice. May isa doon, Ikaw Lang, yung title. Sinulat niya yon kasi muntik na kami magkahiwalay.
Oh! Hello mga kadaldal! Nandito tayo ngayon sa birthday ni Liza Dino Seguera sa drug club na Rampa. Halika, makiparty tayo. Let's enjoy the night. Hello mga kadaldal! What better way to end the Pride Month than by partying with the birthday girl, the ageless, Liza Dino Seguera. Happy birthday and happy Pride!
Thank you, Ate Dolly. Happy Pride! And thank you guys for being part of my birthday kahit paano.
Oo, bilang Pride Month, what are you most proud of, Liza? About you, Ice, and your relationship?
I'm proud na it's been 12 years and yet
Grabe, 12 years.
parang bago pa rin yung relationship namin.
Honeymoon.
How we love each other.
Oh.
And lumalaki yung anak namin na talagang very accepting at saka very proud to have a family like ours.
So what's your advice to couples like you na unconventional ang love story?
I think it's very important to be transparent and honest kasi ang unang-unang magtatanggol sa pamilya nyo ay yung mga anak nyo.
It starts
So you
at
don't,
home.
siguro inisip natin parang we're shielding them from the truth kasi mga bata pa sila. You know, ang mga bata wala silang judgment growing up eh. Nakikita nila lahat
Pure.
ng pantay-pantay. So if you teach them young to have more empathy, to accept the family that we have, sila yung unang-unang magtatanggol talaga sa lahat, sa pamilyang meron kami. So I think that's what we instilled in Amara, and right now she's grown to be napaka-compassionate niya, napaka-respectful niya sa
So she's
lahat ng
living her
genders.
truth as well.
Super.
Kasi good example kayo, talagang in-embrace nyo.
Yes.
And what's the bravest thing you've done for Aiza? Aside from talagang coming out in the open.
Siguro yung really owning the decision to love him fully. Kasi hindi lang naman dahil LGBT yung naging issue namin, dahil nga mahal na mahal ng lahat ng tao si Ice. So parang I'm coming in, ano to, manggagamit? Gusto lang si Ice sa pera niya. You know, parang hindi pa nakikita that, you know, we're two people brought together and because we love each other. And dahil pinagdaanan namin yun, nalagpasan namin lahat yun. I think that one is the bravest thing I've ever done kasi hindi lang kami naging inspirasyon para sa isa't isa, pero maraming lumalapit sa amin saying that
Yes,
they really
talagang source of inspiration and strength yung kwento nyo. And I remember dun sa play nyo, yung choosing.
Yes.
Congrats, talagang masterpiece.
you.
Sana may repeat. Kahit hindi Pride Month, kailangan talaga, it's a must-watch.
Thank you. Yes,
kahit hindi kayo LGBT. You said something there na it's not really about coming out but letting people in. Ang ganda nung line na yun.
Yes, because you know, parang laging intrusive or parang may expectation yung mga tao. You said, okay, when are you coming out? Parang it's like a declaration. But when you say you're letting people in, people are waiting for the right time for you to be ready. They're ready to accept na when you let people in, bukas ka na mas maintindihan nila yung mga pagkatao, yung pagkakaiba-iba ng pagkakatao natin. So, yun. For me, mas positive siya at saka mas hindi siya pressure sa mga tao na hindi pa handa to live their truth.
Doon sa play nyo rin, it's about yung transitioning, no? Kasi trans man yung character ni Aiza like he is, no? Ano na yung journey ni Aiza? Is it okay for you to share? Talagang magka-transition ba siya medically? Or kasi worry niya baka maapektuhan yung boses niya?
Yes, of course, kanya-kanya tayo ng pinagdadaanan sa buhay. So, syempre, dumaan siya doon na during the time na he realized talaga na, okay, I'm a trans man. He wanted to go through the whole process. Pero when you say pagkatao kasi, lalo na kay Ice na bata pa lang talaga, part na ng buhay niya yung pagiging celebrity niya, yung life niya in the industry, part din ng pagkatao
So,
niya.
when you married him, you married all of his fans,
And siya rin siguro, yung pagka-embrace niya sa pagkatao niya, hindi lang, okay, sige, I'm a trans man, but I'm also a provider. I'm also a singer.
A good provider.
Yeah, so maraming maapektuhan doon if he chooses to transition. So I'm not saying that it's going to be parang hindi na matutuloy.
But
pero
he's
siguro,
going in that direction. Pag-uusapan niya pa.
siguro
sa
sa tamang panahon, di ba?
Parang yung kanta niya.
Oo, pagdating ng panahon. But right now, kumbaga, he's accepted and he's embraced that this is the life that we're living. And he's happy that yung transition niya from being a lesbian to being a trans man, yung
It wasn't
pag-embrace niya
easy.
as Ice. Yun, parang
Bawal na siya tawagin Aiza. Ice na.
As Ice, hindi niya pinipilit yung mga tao na gawin yun. And we're very happy kasi yung mga tao mismo, yung fans niya mismo, yung nagko-correct sa mga sarili nila na parang, ay, hindi na siya Aiza, Ice na siya. So that for us is a win.
So nakakatawa, plinano niya talaga tong drag party. Magdra-drag ba siya? Talaga for the love of you. Magdra-drag si
Okay,
Ice.
hindi ko alam
Oo.
kasi...
So wala kang idea sa party kung ano bang
wala
gaganap?
akong idea, pero kanina, hindi ko na siya makausap. Parang, asa na si Ice?
Puno abala.
So hindi ko alam kung may binibili siyang cake or whatever, pero, well, I like surprises, lalo na galing sa kanya.
Grabe talagang blooming na blooming.
Pawis na pawis lang.
Oo. And one last question, no, yung kasi you're very vocal, no, kayo ni Ice. Ano ang gusto mong mga policies na mas tutukan pa ng gobyerno for the LGBT? Kasi bilang Pride Month.
Siyempre, yung unang-una is the civil union. Kasi I think...
Soji Bill.
Oo. Yung civil union kasi, it's very specific to us already as married couple. Hindi pa
It's
kinikilala
about
ng batas.
time.
Yeah, yung ano namin, yung mga karapatan namin. How can we adopt our own daughter? Paano kami mag-share ng properties? Paano kami makikilala pag sa insurance? O kaya pag may sakit yung isa, parang how can we be recognized? So siguro yun yung una-una. And of course, the SOGI-SC bill. Kasi yung SOGI-SC bill
Long
natin...
overdue na yan.
Yeah, it's been 20 years and what we're asking for is not special treatment. The scale has been lopsided ever since. So we're just hoping na sana equal yung pagtingin.
It's not a privilege, it's a birthright.
No. Yes, definitely.
And what's your birthday wish? Showbiz question, di ba?
Ay, nako, birthday wish personal. Siguro yung talagang makatulog kami at makabakasyon ng walang iniisip na work. Kasi
Honeymoon.
feeling ko workaholic talaga ako.
Oh, grabe kayo.
Kailangan nyo
Grabe
talaga.
kayo mag-asawa.
Sino
What can
kailangan
you
ng
not
intervention?
What can you not do? No, talagang lahat kaya nyo gawin. Kumanta, umacting, magsulat.
And I'm
magandang
also one of
company.
the songwriters for Ice's bagong album.
Oh, tell us about the new album pala.
So Ice is coming out with his new album entitled Being Ice. This is 10 years in the making
Wow.
and first time niya na coming out with an album na Ice. And then siguro yung embrace niya sa pagkatao niya at kung sino talaga siya kasi first time yung maririnig all original songs.
Siyempre, dedicated to
Diba?
you ang mga kanta. Anong song na para sa'yo?
iba-iba. May isa doon, Ikaw Lang, yung title. Sinulat niya yon kasi muntik na kami magkahiwalay.
Oh, paano na-resolve yun?
Sumulat siya ng kanta ako.
Oh, sige, pakinggan natin. The one and only talaga. Hindi lang one and only in the following. Talaga the one and only ka. Happy birthday and happy
Thank you so
Pride.
much,
I
Ate
love
Dolly.
you. Well, let's party.
Thank
you.
Happy Pride.
Till next time. Thank you.
Yes, happy birthday, Miss Liza! Speechless.
Mahal talaga kita.
Things we do for love. Sinajoke ko lang. Oh my.
Wow, love, you look so hot.
I know. Happy birthday, love. Alam mo, doon ko talaga na-realize na pagmamahal natin ay priceless. Kasi kahit magkano ibayad sa akin, hindi ko naman talaga gagawin to. I hope you're having the time of your life. You deserve all the amazing things that's happening to you. And I hope that those times that you don't feel as amazing or as beautiful, you know that I'll always be here to remind you how awesome you are. Happy birthday.
Ano ang sigaw?
Grabe! Guys, ang bago ko ng kalarina! You always make me look forward to my birthdays because of what you do and what you and Amara do for my birthday. So, thank you so much for all of this. And mahal na mahal